Hello everyone, I am Revanth. On behalf of Share with the Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and in a friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real-life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board. Classes first and the subject is English and the lesson name is Circle. The innovation idea used in this lesson is called theme-based attendance. The concept covered through this innovation idea are describing words, naming words, consonants and vowels, and also about the words formation and also the different types of shapes. So these are all the concepts covered through this innovation idea. Theme-based attendance is a type of a revision-based innovation idea. Making use of the attendance and revising the lesson which we taught very recently is the major concept in this innovation idea. For doing this theme-based attendance, we are going to use our attendance activity. In general, whenever we are taking the attendance, we will be calling the students in terms of the roll number and the students will be replying their attendance in terms of yes or present. Instead, we are going to give a theme to the student. In that theme, we are going to give them a task or the questions. The student should complete the task or the student should tell the answers for the question as their attendance. The major rule is they should not tell yes or present. Instead, they have to give the answers or do the task which we are giving related to the theme. Being we have completed this lesson, just say we will take an example. We have completed this lesson Circle very recently. So we are going to give this lesson as the theme for the students. So that the theme for the student is Circle. So the student should get prepared for the attendance for theme based on Circle. So the students are coming to the school. They are in our first class. So we are going to take attendance to the students. We will be calling the students in the roll number wise. We can take an example. Roll number 1 is Arjun. Roll number 2 is Ashwin. Roll number 3 is Abhishek. Like this, students are there. Whenever we are calling Arjun, he will tell yes or present. Abhishek, yes or present. Instead, we have given the theme. So the students are going to do the task for either answering the question or doing the task which we are going to give. So we are calling the roll number 1 Arjun. Arjun is getting up. We are going to give the task for that Arjun is. We are going to give a word. The Arjun should find whether the word has a vowel sound or a vowel letter within that word. We are giving that word Amen. So that or Amin. So likewise we are giving a word to him. He is going to read A-M-E-N, Amin. So A is a vowel. So A starts with A, so it is a vowel. So what are the vowel letters inbuilt? A-M-E-N. So A and E are vowels. So thus making the students to revise the concept in their real life basis. So the students seen that vowels and prepositions and everything, words formation, everything through the lesson. But making the students to utilize the opportunity to re-examine within them and making them to practice with the content is the major important role. And after telling his attendance, he can be seated and we are going to call the next student. Next student name is Abhishek. We are calling Abhishek. Being this concept is covering the sentence for word formation and consonants and vowels and also about the naming words, describing words and also about shapes. We can use any type of concepts over here which is covering. So we are going to ask for the next student is what is the shape of the blackboard. So blackboard is the resource material which is already available in the school, so we are going to make use of it. So we are telling that what is the shape of the blackboard. So the students already learned the shape through this lesson, so they are examining. So two sides are equal, two sides are equal. So 2 is to 2 in this ratio. So it is rectangular in shape. So the student can give the answer as it is a rectangular in shape. So likewise, making the students to making use of the opportunity to revise the concept in their real life atmosphere through the attendance is the major concept within this theme based attendance. So this is the innovation idea called theme based attendance used in this lesson Circle. So more about like this types of innovation ideas using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.